What if your brand new dream SUV lost a third of its value before you even hit your first oil change? It's the dirty secret of the modern car market. Some SUVs depreciate faster than others crash into curbs. Today, we're breaking down 12 SUVs that plummeted in value between 2024 and 2025. And trust me, some of these might be sitting in your driveway. Stick around for number 1. It dropped so hard you'd think it was a crypto coin. Number 12, 2024 Nissan Murano, the outdated contender. The 2024 Nissan Murano represents one of the most dramatic cases of value collapse in the mid-size SUV segment. Equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 producing 260 horsepower and featuring Nissan's continuously variable transmission, the Murano once appealed to families seeking comfort and reasonable performance. However, this particular model has become a cautionary tale in depreciation. Originally priced at $44,900 when new, the 2024 Murano has hemorrhaged an astonishing 33% of its value in just 12 months, equating to a $14,800 loss. This drastic decline stems primarily from Nissan's introduction of the completely redesigned 2025 model, instantly making the previous generation feel obsolete. Built on a platform dating back to 2015, the 2024 Murano struggled with outdated technology and mediocre fuel efficiency compared to fresher competitors. Perhaps most damaging to its resale value is Nissan's notorious CVT transmission. Known for reliability issues and expensive repairs, these transmissions have spooked used car buyers. Many Murano owners have reported premature transmission failures requiring replacements costing thousands, creating a reputation that proves difficult to overcome in the resale market. Number 11, 2024 Chevrolet Traverse, the family hauler fallout. The 2024 Chevrolet Traverse, powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine delivering 310 horsepower through a 9-speed automatic transmission, was positioned as a practical family hauler with 3 rows of seating and substantial cargo capacity. Despite these appealing features, the Traverse has experienced a devastating 34% depreciation over just 1 year. Originally retailing between $36,400 and $54,200 depending on trim level, the Traverse has lost approximately $15,500 in value. This depreciation stems from multiple factors, including Chevrolet's announcement of the redesigned 2025 model with significant improvements in both technology and fuel efficiency. Additionally, the 2024 model's relatively unexciting styling and mediocre interior materials quality compared to rivals like the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade have contributed to its rapid decline in the used market. Consumer reports of transmission issues after 60,000 miles have further undermined buyer confidence, creating a perfect storm of depreciation for this once popular family SUV. Number 10, 2024 Buick Enclave, the luxury letdown. The 2024 Buick Enclave attempted to bridge the gap between mainstream and luxury SUVs, with its 3.6-liter V6 engine producing 310 horsepower and upscale interior appointments. Despite its quiet cabin and smooth ride, this 3-row SUV has suffered a substantial 35% depreciation in just 1 year. With an original MSRP between $44,800 and $57,300, the Enclave has lost approximately $18,200 in value. This precipitous decline stems from Buick's unclear brand positioning, not quite luxury, enough to compete with true premium brands yet priced higher than mainstream alternatives. The anticipated 2025 redesign has further accelerated the 2024 model's depreciation. The Enclave also suffers from mediocre fuel economy, averaging just 21 mpg combined, which has become increasingly problematic as fuel efficiency standards rise. Reliability concerns, particularly with the electrical system and infotainment interface, have further diminished its appeal in the used market. Number 9, 2024 Ford Explorer, the fallen American icon. The 2024 Ford Explorer, equipped with engine options ranging from a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder to a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 in the ST trim, has experienced a troubling 35.5% depreciation in just 12 months. This once dominant American SUV has struggled to maintain its value despite its nameplate recognition. Originally priced between $38,500 and $58,700, the Explorer has shed approximately $19,000 in value. Ford's quality control issues, particularly with the 10-speed automatic transmission, have plagued this generation. Consumer reports of rough shifting, delayed engagement, and premature failures have significantly damaged the model's reputation. Additionally, Ford's aggressive push toward electric vehicles has led to decreased marketing support for traditional models like the Explorer, further contributing to its resale value decline. The competition has also intensified, with rivals offering more refined interiors and better technology integration at similar price points. Number 8. 2024 Audi Q7, the German depreciation machine. The 2024 Audi Q7, featuring a choice between a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing 248 horsepower or a 3.0-liter V6 delivering 335 horsepower, exemplifies luxury depreciation. This German three-row SUV, celebrated for its refined interior and cutting-edge technology, has lost 36% of its value in 1 year. With an original price range of $59,200 to $74,800, the Q7 has depreciated approximately $24,000. While Audi's engineering prowess is undeniable, the brand's vehicles are notorious for high maintenance costs once they're out of warranty. Potential used buyers factor in the expensive repairs for complex components like the air suspension system and advanced electronics. The Q7's fuel economy has also become a liability in an increasingly efficiency-conscious market, with the V6 model averaging just 20 mpg combined. Audi's rapid technological updates have similarly contributed to faster obsolescence, as newer models feature significantly updated infotainment systems and driver assistance technologies. Number 7. 2024 Land Rover Discovery, the British value collapse. The 2024 Land Rover Discovery, powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine producing 355 horsepower, combines luxury with genuine off-road capability. Despite these credentials, it has suffered a staggering 36.2% depreciation in just 1 year. Originally priced between $58,400 and $76,900, the Discovery has lost approximately $25,000 in value. Land Rover's persistent reliability issues remain the primary culprit behind this depreciation. The brand consistently ranks near the bottom of reliability surveys, with the Discovery particularly notorious for electrical problems, air suspension failures, and transmission issues. Additionally, the Discovery's poor fuel economy, averaging just 21 mpg combined, has become increasingly problematic as efficiency standards tighten. Land Rover's announcement of expanded electrification plans has also accelerated depreciation of their internal combustion models, as buyers anticipate significant technological advancements in upcoming iterations. Number 6. 2024 Tesla Model X, the electric disappointment. The 2024 Tesla Model X, with its distinctive falcon wing doors and impressive dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivering up to 670 horsepower in plaid trim, has suffered a surprising 36.4% depreciation over 1 year. Originally priced between $88,000 and $109,000, the Model X has lost approximately $32,000 in value. This dramatic drop stems partly from Tesla's price-cutting strategy throughout 2024, which instantly devalued existing models. Additionally, increased competition from traditional automakers entering the electric SUV space has eroded Tesla's once dominant market position. Quality control issues continue to plague the brand, with owners reporting problems ranging from misaligned body panels to malfunctioning door sensors. The rapid pace of Tesla's technological updates has also contributed to faster obsolescence, as newer models feature improved batteries, more advanced driver assistance features, and updated interiors. Number 5. 2024 BMW X7, the Bavarian value disaster. The 2024 BMW X7, BMW's flagship SUV featuring engine options ranging from a 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-six producing 375 horsepower to a 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 delivering 523 horsepower, has experienced a devastating 37% depreciation in just 1 year. Originally priced between $81,900 and $188,700, the X7 has lost approximately $35,000 in value. This luxury three-row SUV suffers from extraordinarily high maintenance costs once out of warranty, with complex systems like the air suspension, advanced driver assistance features, and sophisticated electronics requiring specialized service. BMW's controversial styling direction, particularly the oversized kidney grille, has polarized opinions and limited the X7's appeal in the second-hand market. Additionally, its poor fuel economy, the V8 model averages just 17 mpg combined, has become increasingly problematic as efficiency standards tighten and fuel prices fluctuate. Number 4. 2024 Infiniti QX80, the luxury dinosaur. The 2024 Infiniti QX80, powered by a naturally aspirated 5.6-litre V8 engine producing 400 horsepower, stands as a prime example of accelerated depreciation. This full-size luxury SUV has lost a staggering 65% of its value over 5 years, with much of that depreciation occurring in the past year alone. Originally priced at approximately $79,000, the QX80 has depreciated by over $28,000 in just 12 months. This massive devaluation stems from an aging platform that remained largely unchanged for over a decade while competitors evolved rapidly. The moment Infiniti unveiled the completely redesigned 2025 model, the 2024 version became instantly obsolete. Infiniti's brand struggles have further exacerbated the QX80's depreciation. As Nissan's luxury division, Infiniti has experienced declining sales, dealership closures, and waning consumer confidence in recent years. The QX80's thirsty V8 engine, averaging just 16 mpg combined, has also become a significant liability in an increasingly efficiency-conscious market. Number 3. 2024 Maserati Levante, the Italian depreciation express. The 2024 Maserati Levante, with its Ferrari-built twin-turbocharged V6 and V8 engines producing between 350 and 580 horsepower depending on trim, exemplifies luxury depreciation at its most extreme. This Italian luxury SUV has lost an astonishing 64.7% of its value in 5 years, with a significant portion occurring in the past year. Originally priced between $83,500 and $161,000 depending on trim level, the Levante has depreciated approximately $40,000 in just 12 months. Maserati's notorious reliability issues represent the primary factor behind this catastrophic depreciation. The brand consistently ranks poorly in dependability studies, with owners reporting frequent and expensive repairs. The Levante's dated infotainment system, which shares components with much less expensive Jeep models, has further undermined its luxury credentials. Additionally, Maserati's announcement of an electric future has accelerated depreciation of their internal combustion models as the market anticipates technological obsolescence. Number 2. 2024 Jaguar I-Pace, the electric pioneer's fall. The 2024 Jaguar I-Pace, featuring dual electric motors producing 394 horsepower and offering 234 miles of range, represents one of the most dramatic depreciation cases in the automotive market. This luxury electric SUV has lost an astounding 72.2% of its value over 5 years. Originally priced at $73,370, the I-Pace now retains just 27.8% of its value, a financial disaster for early adopters. As Jaguar's first all-electric vehicle, the I-Pace suffered from early software issues and charging inefficiencies that the company struggled to resolve. Additionally, its range has been surpassed by newer competitors, making it seem technologically obsolete despite its relatively recent introduction. Jaguar's announcement of the model's discontinuation as the brand transition to an entirely new electric platform has effectively sealed the I-Pace's fate, causing values to plummet as support concerns mount. The brand's limited dealer network has further complicated ownership, with many I-Pace owners reporting difficulties finding qualified technicians for repairs and updates. Number 1. 2024 Cadillac Escalade, the American luxury collapse. The 2024 Cadillac Escalade, equipped with either a 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower or a 3.0-liter turbo diesel inline-six, has experienced the most dramatic value collapse of any SUV in 2025. This American luxury flagship has depreciated an extraordinary 39% in just 12 months. Originally priced between $82,000 and $112,000 depending on trim level, the Escalade has lost approximately $43,000 in value. This unprecedented depreciation stems from multiple factors, including Cadillac's introduction of the all-electric Escalade IQ, which instantly made the internal combustion model seem outdated. The Escalade's abysmal fuel economy, with the V8 model averaging just 16 mpg combined, has become increasingly problematic as efficiency standards tighten and fuel prices remain volatile. Additionally, reliability concerns, particularly with the complex electronic systems and air suspension, have further undermined confidence in the used market. So, what's the takeaway? Even premium badges aren't safe from the jaws of depreciation, whether it's poor planning, weak software, or just bad timing. These SUVs serve as a reminder, not every new car is a good investment. If you're shopping for a used SUV, this list might save you thousands. If you just bought one of these new, I'm sorry, truly. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments, which SUV shocked you the most?